The Second Serbian Uprising was the second phase of the Serbian Revolution against the Ottoman Empire, which erupted shortly after the reannexion of the country to the Ottoman Empire in 1813. The occupation was enforced following the defeat of the First Serbian Uprising, during which Serbia existed as a de facto independent state for over a decade. The Second Revolution ultimately resulted in Serbia's semi-independence from the Ottoman Empire. The Principality of Serbia was established, governed by its own parliament, constitution, and royal dynasty. The jury independence, however, was attained in 1878 following the decision of the Congress of Berlin. Background: the First Serbian Uprising liberated the country for a significant time. For Ottoman Empire, for the first time in 3 centuries, Serbs governed themselves without the supremacy of the Ottoman Empire or Habsburg Austria. After the failure of the First Serbian Uprising, most commanders escaped to the Habsburg monarchy, including Karađorđe Petrović, leader of the First Serbian Uprising. Only a few commanders, Miloš Obrenović, Stanoje Glavaš, remained in Serbia, trying by one specific diplomatic way to protect and share the destiny of the local people. Miloš Obrenović surrendered to the Ottoman Turks and received the title of Obrknez. Stanoje Glavaš also surrendered to the Turks and was made the supervision of a road, but the Turks killed him after they became suspicious of him. Hadži Prodan Grigorjević knew the Turks would arrest him and so declared an uprising in 1813. But Obrenović felt the time was not right for an uprising. It didn't prove assistance. Hadži Prodan uprising soon failed and he fell to Austria. After the failure of this revolt, the Turks inflicted more persecution against the Serbs, such as high tax, forced labor, and rape. In March 1815, Serbs had several meetings and decided upon a new revolt. The National Council proclaimed open revolt against Ottoman Empire in Takovo on 23rd April 1815. Miloš Obrenović was chosen as a leader and famously spoke, "Here I am, here you are. War to the Turks." Serbian: "Evo mene, evo vas. Rat s Turcima." When the Ottomans discovered the new revolt, they sentenced all of these leaders to death. The Serbs fought in battles at Rudnik, Ljubić, Palež, Valjevo, Čačak, Karanovac, Požarevac, Kragujevac, Jagodina, and Dublje, and drove the Ottomans out of the Pešlik of Belgrade. So, Miloš wrote a letter to the Orthodox priest Matijan Nenadović. "We write to you from Zabrežje, village in Palež, Obrenovac. We took Valjevo, Rudnik, Kragujevac, Jagodinu, Palež, and many places not even close to 15 Serbian soldiers died and that 2,000 Turkish soldiers were killed." In 1817, Miloš Obrenović succeeded in forcing Marshal Ali Pasha to negotiation an unwritten agreement, an act which effectively ended the Second Serbian Uprising. The same year, Karađorđe, the leader of the First Uprising, returned to Serbia and was assassinated.